Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna compare the differences between two formats, the 4K 60p and then the 1080 HD 120p. So these are the usual format that I use for recording in between the videos. So I noticed that the 4K 60p is much sharper and the autofocus is better. So I would suggest to use the 4K 60p if you shoot in video, and if you want to do slow motion, it will be better to just do a 2 times slow motion after you record the 4K 60p. The 120p slow motion is good, but some of them are the focus hunting, as you can see in this one. The left side is the 4K and then the right side is the HD 120p. So I noticed the focus hunting a little bit more in the 1080p 120 slow motion, but in the 4K 60p the color and the contrast are better straight out of the camera of this lens. So this is the 56 F1.2 WR lens that use all these videos footages are straight out of the camera footage. So I just want to check out like which one have better quality, and just want to check what are the differences. And when I put it side by side like this, I noticed the color and the focusing, especially the focusing, it takes better focus in when you're shooting the 4K 60p. It looks sharper in terms of the images in the video itself. So I would just do the 4K 60p and then slow it down for the slow motion. This is just my opinion for this. This is why I found out when I'm doing the two side-by-side comparison, just to see what footage should I use later on when I'm doing some like POV in between. So yep, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. And if you want, you can subscribe for more like tips and tricks coming up later on as well. Thanks so much. Bye.